everyone, this is Emma, the GIS specialist at the City of Kawartha Lakes. Today I'm going to introduce you to the Kawartha Map Services Viewer and give you some tips and tricks to get started. In this tutorial, I will show you how to customize your map, how to navigate around efficiently, and how to gather information quickly from the map. When you open the viewer, you will see this home panel on the left that will hold some news or some information on updates that we would like to share with you. The left-hand panel also holds the layer list, which you can access with the tab at the bottom here. You will need to expand the different groups to access and view the data that you're interested in. Some layers, such as the cadastral data, will not appear until you zoom in to a specific extent or scale. So to start seeing our data, we may want to use the property search tool here to zoom into the area of interest. From here, you can click on a feature to access the pop-ups where you can find more information. Here, we're accessing a pop-up from a certain layer that doesn't have much information for us. So we'll want to click to the second pop-up, which will show the property information from the cadastral layer here. At the bottom of the pop-up, you can turn on the aerial imagery, view zoning, or a few other details here. The aerial imagery is now set as the base map, so the features are blocking our view. To fix this, we can use these slider bars for the layer groups to change the transparency. We can now see the aerial imagery through the polygons. Let's say we're interested in a lot of different data layers. So I went through and turned on all the different layers on the roads and transportation group here. Now you can see our polygon here is still blocking some more of our data. So you can actually click this button here to change the layer drawing order. Find the layer that we need to bring to the top, and you can either drag it above or click on it and use these arrows. So now that it's above our polygon layer, you can see the point data better here. In addition to just simply viewing the data and accessing the pop-up information, you can also explore the tools along the toolbar to view your data in different ways and to further analyze your information. There are specific tutorials on our channel that walk you through how to use certain tools within the viewer. Make sure to check out the tutorial on how to save your map so you don't have to go through this reconfiguration each time you open the viewer. I hope this tutorial was helpful in learning how to view and access the data and information available in the viewer. If you have any questions, please contact us at geomatics@kawarthalakes.ca. Thanks for watching.